Oh man, today was a great day. I bought myself a piece of machinery, and I'll be making a video about it very shortly. But for for now, I'll just make kind of like just like an announcement video. So this is my Land Hero mini skid steer. It's got a 739 cc motor. I'm not even sure what the motor is. Not gonna lie. But it is a Land Hero. And its lifting capacity is about 850 pounds, I believe. I haven't really done a lot of research on it. It was a really good deal, so I didn't really want to pass it up, and I was kind of in the market for something that's small and a little versatile. So yeah, I just bought this, and I am changing out the hydraulic fluid right now. It's brand new. It literally has 10 minutes on the hour meter, and that 10 minutes was me taking it off the loader. So yeah, super pumped. I'm just really tired, so I don't seem like it. But anyways, there'll be videos coming out shortly, and I already got lined up work for it, so I'm excited.